To factory reset Pixel 8 without the touchscreen, pause the video and get your Pixel ready, as we're going to do a key combination. I'm going to start in 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power and volume up. Keep these two held down until I release the buttons. So it will be a couple of seconds from now. So any moment we see the black screen release from both buttons. And now press and hold power and volume down and keep these two held down until we see fast boot mode. I'm going to cut this as it does take a while. In fast boot mode, you're going to click volume up until it says recovery mode, then click the power button to select. We will now see no command, and so the command is long press power button and then click and release volume up. In here, the touch is not working, so click volume down until you see wipe data and click power button to select. Then click volume down and click power button to select factory data reset. You will then be brought to the home page and click the power button to reboot the system and factory reset.